In this video, I will show you how to install interior finish panels on a McCain wall system. For this installation, we will require only two unique parts, our wall bracket and our interior panel. And I've laid out our wall brackets and removed our screws from the panels, which will then be put back into place to fasten the bracket in the same spot. We'll begin by lining up our bracket to the inside of the wall panel, using the slot cut out at the bottom to match up with your wall panel. And this hole here is your guide. I'm just gonna fasten all of them now. Once our brackets are all screwed into place, we're now ready for our interior panels. In order to better assist you in handling of the panels, we recommend use a suction cup like this. So here we have a basic hook and slot pattern. If your panel's resting on the ground, just lift a couple inches up, push it in, and just let it drop. Once again, retrieve your panel. Make sure your hooks are facing down. And there you have it. 3 interior finished panels done in just a few minutes.